Oh my goodness. You guys totally destroyed my last video by watching it. Okay, not totally destroyed, I know. But seriously guys, 120 views in that short amount of time. That is amazing. I love you guys for watching it. That is amazing. And thank you Suits and Nukes for putting it on your site. Really thank you very much. And I thank all of you viewers. I hope we can get that up and get better at all of this. Greetings everyone, I'm Ashcraft from Blood and Pictures. You probably already know that, but welcome back to Nightmare Fishing Tournament. Oh, it's been a while. Anyway, yeah, for me it was a while, because we were on holiday. The vlog is the latest video before this one, and we had a lot of time spending there and a lot of to do in our hands. But now I'm finally back to this game. Thank you very much for to Suits and Nukes for giving me an updated version of the game, or like uploading an updated version. I will go straight in and be not a fool and not doing anything stupid again. Anyway. Yeah. And oh, the holiday, we were in Lübeck, and you should check out the vlog because it was amazing. It was fun, and Evelyn was, as always, adorable.
Something tells me you're not from around here.
Yep.
Allow me to catch you up to speed.
I already know all this. Okay, so we're back in right now. Oh, I love the setting of this game. I love the music of this game. I like everything about this game. I mean, yeah, sure, it's not like HD anything and it's 2D, but that can be a good game as well in any means, like literally. Anyway, okay, so I can only use them when I'm inside of the water. I don't know if that's really that handy at all, but I finally noticed. And the thing is, Markiplier and I made the same beginner's mistakes. I'm sorry, I won't talk about his video any longer. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, come on. Okay, I think my stab amount is limited. Oh, damn it. Oh, what? I was inside. You stupid. No. I need air. I quickly need freaking air. Come on. Where's my boat? There it is. Okay. You're almost dead. Come on. Getting back up. I didn't got any scales from him that time, but whew, it's only the thingy around. Whoa! That's a big one. Is it bigger than the first one I got? I don't know. I actually don't know. Anyway, woo! 1,000 credits. Oh no. First I want to visit the Grim Reaper.
Got a lot of good things on sale.
Ooh. Oh. Huh. I don't know. Can I buy anything? Can I buy this? I don't know where I get them. Okay, 1,000 or 1,500. Oh, I could. The spear gun. I don't know if I have to buy extra ammunition for that.
That will come in very handy indeed.
Thank you.
See you floating on the surface.
it's you, Flirt. Well, thank you for nothing, I guess.
I saw this lure in the shop. Reaper said it had a camera on it. With that, I'd be able to get a good look at what was going on down there.
That is true. It was that one. There we go. This is much better. At least I have the correct. There we go, there we go, there we go. Yes! Can't I? Why can't I slash faster than this? I thought I could slash faster. Oh, is that... Can I... Thank you. Thank you. 2 of them should be enough. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I don't think 71 is enough, though. Yeah, I don't think 71 is enough. Okay, so what I learned so far is basically that you, a few tactics. Like, for example, that you don't rail in too high in order to have enough time to get back up to get more oxygen or more air or whatever, however you want to say it. And, basically, put one of these meatball item thingies right on your lure, on your bait, so the fish go there. And that is when you have time to do that. And as well, yeah, try to memorize which bait is attracting what fish. And that this gun here is a pretty good catch for like beginners because it immobilized the fish in the start. And that's really good so you don't get bitten yourself. Yeah, but by that, that's about everything I know. And maybe visit the Grim Reaper a little more often than I did before. Okay, okay. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. Come on, big ugly fishy. Okay, that's it. Not even close, damn it. Okay. Five minutes to catch the biggest, the blood bass. Ugh, my arch nemesis in this game already. Also, I want to say sorry if the video we made about the trip wasn't that long, but there was a lot of stuff going on we didn't want to vlog or we weren't allowed to vlog. Just because privacy reasons, and the privacy law in Germany is really weird. It's really, really weird. But that being said, it was a hell of fun. It was even a hell of fun editing it. And to all of you guys, you definitely should come to Germany at least once. This game is taking a while, but damn, it's amazing. It's chilly. In both ways. It can be frightening when you finally got the fish, but it's also really relaxing at some point. At the moment I'm at a training thing that trains me to get better jobs and, well, get a real job in real life. Oh, come on, there's a fish. Yes! I will go monster fishing when I'm done with this game. Okay, where are you? Here somewhere. Yeah, there we go. Oh, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, my finger hurts. My finger hurts. My spam clicking skills aren't that good. Stay put, stay put, stay put. I almost got you. Come on, I want you. Thank you. There we go. Okay, yeah. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. And rail him in, rail him in, rail him in, rail him in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on! Come on! Whoa, that's a bigger one. Whew. Okay. 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 I totally lost track of what I was about to say. Oh. Hi, Jasper.
If I could reach those clams at the bottom, I might find a pearl. Reaper says if I collect 3 of them, I can craft them into a double cash bonus. That
Cool.
makes all the fish I catch worth double. Now, how the hell does combining pearls together make that happen? Damn game logic.
Okay, yeah. Well, that is true. Damn game logic, but that's a nice touch. That's a really nice touch. Okay, so I guess I'm in danger going down here. But he said there are pearls on the ground. Wow. What? What? Did you saw that? That was like... Oh, there's free stuff all... Oh god, my oxygen. I don't want to die now. I caught a big fish. But there was a human, like a real life human face. Oh, come on. A real life human face inside of that ship. I know, I know. I'm on my way. You got much left. Come on. Don't be a baby. A baby. To be a baby. Well, let's just try it one more time. I mean, maybe we will be able to find one in time. But who knows? If you hear things in the background, that's evident in the kitchen. I hope at least. Are there intruders? Am I kidnapped and taken to the red room now? Oh, come on. Yes! Come on, jump. Ooh. I hope it's not the last fish you get that counts as like your final catch. Because that would be fishy. That would be really slippery fishy. Because, like, what if this one is the smaller one I get? And I have like two fish, a big one and a smaller one. Shouldn't the bigger one be the one that counts? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I hope it is that way. I never experienced like something proving the one or the other. But I got 2 fish. 2 of the fish I'm supposed to catch. Wow. That's great. And next one. It's a bit bigger. It's not too bad. But it's bigger, so no worries about that. Yeah, I don't mind. Yeah! First place again! I would have done it anyway. Woo! Extra credits. Number 3, Dream Eater. It sounds like a horrible monstrosity, but well, it is. Look at him. Where's the Grim Reaper at? Oh, there's another guy.
You see those little bait fish swimming around? The yellow ones and the green ones. If you click fast enough, you can pop them right in your tackle box. Some of the bigger fish love them.
Okay, you're a little bit creepy. And then where's the Grim Reaper? Oh, there you are, my friend.
Got a lot of good things on sale, stranger.
Stronger than the panic blade, the Stabica is a fierce weapon at close range. Oh, purchase. Okay. Okay. I think the next one will be the spear gun, but... Okay.
Take care, stranger.
Okay, I'm good now. I think that one liked these ones. Let's get back to business and catch us some fish. Yeah, I'm not really good at singing, I know. But who cares? It's fun. Oh god, that was one. Oh, damn it. Oh, just damn it. Oh, oh, oh my god. Oh my god, really? Oh yes, it's even the right... No, oh damn it. Come on. I'm not making any damage whatsoever. Oh, there we go. I think they have like armor points. That is not really good for me. But... Gotcha! I want your scales though. Why can't I... Oh, do I have full inventory? Is that a thing? Yes, it is. Oh, damn it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on! Ah! Okay, it's good. Ooh, that's a huge one. Woo! Oh, I'm good at this game by now. At least I feel good. Okay, so... I will sell my thingamajigs to the Grim Reaper now. I don't wish for death, I just want to trade. I'll probably say that when I die. When I trade, I want to go fishing in hell. That sounds like fun.
What can I gouge you for? I mean, what can I get for you today?
What? Okay. Only 4? Oh my... No. No, no. Leaf shop.
Come again.
Okay, so... You... Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'll try to catch one of those fishes again, only for the scales, so you have them. Because I remember... Oh! Yes! Oh, and you're close to the surface as well, my friend. My friend. My little stupid fishy friend. Come on! Come on! Dead you are. Want one of them, thank you. Thank you. And... Okay, I'm full in inventory. Yes. Poor enough. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You're not that far away, are you? Nope, you aren't. Woohoo! Heaviest? Okay, well, that wasn't a better one. But it was 169. This is my heaviest. I think that's good for now. What else do we need to craft? Because I want to craft longer grip. That might come in handy later on. But I also want to craft more oxygen. So I can actually like go all the way down and grab some things. Some of these fish that... Some of the little things down there. Because I want to like... I want the pearls. But I think I need the pearls in order to upgrade my oxygen. I know. I don't really understand, remember what he said, but look at all these guys falling. There we go.
Welcome back.
Okay, so... Okay... Oh, I need a white one for fishing line upgrade. Take it like a man! Longer scream like a little bitch. I love that. Okay, so yeah. And I'm back, I'm sorry for that. The camera trapped up. Anyway, yeah, I bought a few things. Oh, I can purchase this. I sold a few things and looked at the crafting recipes. So I at least need the white ones. I need a green, white, and a purple one. And I don't really need these. What? That one. Yeah. I think I'm good. Oh, I don't have that one already. Okay. So I can actually... I actually can, like, yeah. I think I purchased this thing.
Good luck out there. You're gonna need it.
Thank
Come again.
you. Okay. Should I risk it? Not in this round. Nah. I don't mind. I don't want to be eaten. Oh my Jesus Christ. Oh my god, that was a mistake! No! Jesus. Oh jeez, okay, I won't do that again. Look at him! I would be just as panicky as him when like huge fish would bite me in the butt. I hope I win! I hope I win! So I can end off the video with no failure today. Did I fail once? Oh yeah, I lost once. And... Whoa! Wow, that's a huge gap between me and Jasper. Holy balls. I'm sorry for that. That is amazing. Look, Clyde with 44. Anyway, woo! That was amazing. And it is really fun to play this game. I hope you... And seriously guys, 120 views the last time I checked on the last video. Holy guacamole, are you freaking serious? Serious? Anyway, I love all of you guys and we will see each other in the next video. Cheerio!